coming on here today because I wanted to share my utter pure excitement of something that I got in the mail. I received my Supreme box. So for those of you that follow me on Instagram, know that I had a heart attack and that I was able to get the Supreme box like seconds before it sold out. And this is my birthday present from my fiance. He sent me the money last minute, was like, go, make sure you order it. I freaked the hell out. So thank you, Joey, if you're watching this. So Jeffree plays no games when it comes to the shipping because I got here so freaking fast. Now, I already opened the box. I already had a fucking heart attack. I almost cried. I love absolutely everything that came in my box. So for those of you that don't know, Jeffree Star does, once in a while, he does these mystery boxes. Now, you have no idea what you're getting. You only know the amount of items you're getting in each box. So the Supreme box is the largest box. The Supreme Deluxe, and I forgot the other name, but I was able to get the largest one. It came with 13 items in total, and it asked you for your size of your clothing because it has clothing items in it. So the shipping was like super freaking fast. Like from one night to the next, I was like, oh my God, I'm getting it tomorrow. So when I opened the box, I got Jeffree's Star record from prom night. I love this. I'm actually going to frame this and hang this on my wall because I adore Jeffree. Like, I love you. Now, I also got, which I found so freaking cute because I have his straws in the red and the pink. And I got the orange one. So I'm so happy because now for spooky season, hello. And my birthday's next week. So you already know. Like, that's it. This is the best birthday present ever. I also got the Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. Oh my God. For those of you that know that I love highlighters and I love gold, honey, this is like the perfect golden bronze color. Sorry, I have to smell everything. And swatching it, look at that. That is so beautiful. This is honestly the perfect like fall kind of like highlight, even for the summer too. Like, it's just perfect. It's bronze and gold, super glittery. Okay, I'm gonna bathe in that later. I got a velour lip scrub in cucumber mint. I already tried it. Tastes good. Look how cute the packaging is. I love this chartreuse packaging, and it smells so good. It's delicious. Honey, delicious. Now, I got a liquid lip in the color Venus Flytrap, which, if y'all know, that's my favorite plant. I got one growing downstairs in my kitchen. And it is this gorgeous green. Swatching it, look how beautiful that is. And for anyone that knows that has Jeffree Star lipsticks, his formula is A1, so you know. Then I got one of his lip ammunitions in the color Yummy. Look how pretty that packaging is, and look how gorgeous. It's a shimmery purple. Now, when applied, it's so nice and light. Look at that. It's like a light violet and very, very shimmery, which I like that. It's super cute. Then I got so excited about this lip liner, Lord Jesus. I ended up breaking up the tip. This is in the shade Scorpio because I'm a Scorpio. He's a Scorpio. Fuck yes. And look how beautiful. It's this gorgeous, like, nude brown, brownish. I don't know how to explain the color. I just know that I like it. It's like a mauvey, like, I don't know. It's fucking gorgeous. That's it. Point blank. Then I got the mini breaker. I have the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm so happy that I got this one. Look how freaking cute. Packaging A1, of course. And then look at the colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That orange I will be using this weekend because I'm going to Six Flags for Fright Fest. My fiance is taking me as my birthday present. Super like amped up, and I'm happy I got all my shit so I can start using stuff to get ready. Now, one of the big things that I got that I thought was so fucking dope, I have the Reds and Pinks collections. I already have it, that I have purchased it, but since these are the minis, like, I use these colors all the freaking time, so I just gotta re-up on all the colors that I love. Like, so beautiful. Then I got one of the limited edition colors that he created just for the mystery boxes. He came out with two. One is called Zombie Kisses, and the other one, I forgot the name of it. I'll insert it right here below. But Zombie Kiss comes in the deluxe box only, and then the other shade comes in one of the other sizes. It is a beautiful, like, shimmery purple, like a grape purple. Look at that. And it, like, color shifts a little bit. It's really pretty. It reminds me of, like, the same formula as, like, Yummy. Like, it's that metallic-y color, and like Pussy Whipped, that it's that metallic, that really strong metallic, like, type of liquid lip, and it dries down so beautiful. Look at that. Then one of the things that I was like so amped up about, I got one of the mirrors. It came in the box, and it's funny because I ordered the black and orange one when I bought it, which should be coming tomorrow, hopefully. But now I got the orange and black one. So my collection is growing on my mirrors, because right now I have the chrome pink one, adding this bad boy, and I'm getting the other one tomorrow. Super stoked about that. And the part that I actually screamed and like cried and I was so excited was I got the tracksuit. It came in the box. Oh my god, this is like so amazing because I wanted this tracksuit so bad. But the problem was, for my birthday, I wasn't going to be able to afford it. And I wanted to go into my birthday in orange. So I'm super hyped. So can't wait to wear this stuff. I love all of the products that I got. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give me some ideas in the comment section. Thank you guys.